Here, switch.
Curtis.
It's 2 blue. 2 outs. Just 1. Perfect. Sorry, Blue. Sorry. Go back.
20 years ago.
My bad, buddy. That was close.
You're good, brother. Don't worry about it.
Alrighty.
Hey, way to go back on that. Number 42.
Nice catch. Watch him! Go home! Home! Natta boy, Matty! Nice catch, dude. Zach! 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Hey, Chewy up! Oh! 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 Hey, we got 2. Back! Yeah! Nice catch, Rory! Got it.
That looked about as graceful as a newborn giraffe. I got the old gun right. See what I got. Yeah. Open up the case. Good eye. Leak strike. Because we have a map. Yeah. To the map. The bat in the base over there. Hey,
Nice
good.
shot.
Good job.
Dropped in there deep.
Yeah.
And it's because it was high.
All right, well, let's get some calls going our way here. Hey, out of the way! On your horse!
Nice wheel, Zach.
Way to go, guys!
Because if he's my height on that ball, he doesn't catch it.
Hell yeah. Oh shit, I'm on deck. Hell yeah.
Hey, hit it hard, Al!
Automatically.
Yes.
There's a 3-4 catch.
Nobody. Hey, out of play.
Hey, let's go out. Hey,
Hey, figure it out.
Ooh.
man, you need to catch that shit.
Who's bets?
I'll let that go.
Hey, up to the last time. Up to the last time. Back up the middle.
Hey, watch yourself.
Grounded into almost a double play. Two outs.
Hey, way to show off for the stream, though.
No, it's not streaming. It's recording. It ain't streaming.
Cut it out many errors out of the audio.
I think I could have made it. I was too.
If you're not slowing down when you're getting the third base, it's probably just fucking spicy shit.
Kenny, you're on deck.
Hey, here we go.
Thanks, boss. Yay, Kenny! Nice catch. Looking to go your way, Maddie. I don't think he swung yet. He walked last time too. God damn. Fucking foot got caught in the fence. Arms up, Kenny. Arms up. Up, up.
Did you hand these out for MVPs? One plate each?
Oh, this you won this in the raffle, huh?
Yeah,
Nice.
that's what I got. Practice ball. Practice ball. That's what I want. Come get your practice balls. Is that for the struggle busters? That means I get one.
Nice job, coach.
Hey. Yeah, thanks, man. Way to go. Good job. Nice job, everybody.
We got the
500 balls.
spring training out of the way.
500 ball on the year.
Yeah, this was our one-day spring training.